Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain how you can upload logo to your WordPress website. So this method will work if you use if you are using any of the page builder, then also this will work. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your website admin area, and then and then from here you need to go to appearance, and then you need to go to customize option, and here you can see which theme you are using. And again you need to go to this one, header builder, and in the header builder you can see site title and logo, and then primary menu. Okay, so I will go to this one, site title and logo, and I can change the logo from here. Any logo of your choice, you can add that one. Just select that file, and then from here you need to select one. Okay, crop that image if needed. You can crop the image, and then you are done. The logo will appear on your website. So it is very easy to upload the logo. Again, if you want to increase or decrease the width of the logo, you can also do that. So it is very simple. You can try it out. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.